Doing a quick video on how we look at component and library analytics. So you start off by going into all teams and then into view libraries. And then within here, you've got all of the different component libraries. So let's take web components as our example. It's also might be useful to actually look which of these components have the most. So web components obviously number one. Once you're in here, you'll then see all the different components in here, but you can also see a bunch of stats at the top, and then more importantly, this analytics tab. This analytics tab shows you the number of inserts over different days. You can change it from 30 days to be something more like 90 days. And then within here, you'll see, firstly, it's usually alphabetically to start with. Just bear in mind that the rocket and the amber and the green will sort them alphabetically as well, so they'll all come first, but it's alphabetical within those sections as well. You can then do something like, for example, look at how many detaches you've got on each component. Then you can start to maybe focus and work on those. Or you can look at the inserts on each component, most showing which components are the most important to be getting right, basically, but maybe more importantly, least showing which components are actually not being used, because these are ones you can start to cut out the system, start to simplify it a bit. You can also start to compare libraries against each other. So if you look here, we could then we're comparing web components at the moment, but you can compare it to any other library. So you might want to compare it to the app to see like where you need to focus more attention on, or you might want to focus it on something like the .co.uk web components, so you can see the difference in how many people are using each. So that would be this one here, version 0.0. At the moment, this is 0 because no one started using it. But over time, you'll probably see this go up, maybe even higher than the actual web components. And then as React migration goes on, you should see this black one get lower and lower and lower, and the blue one get higher and higher and higher as pages start to be migrated over. Yeah, so you can do this for any other file with components in as well.